Hello dear pupils, I'm glad to greet you again at my English lesson, and our topic for today is weather and environment. Actually, I cannot say something new about weather and environmental condition, but I may help you how to investigate this topic and what to say when you will be asked with this question by your teacher or at your exam. So let's discuss it. So here are given some definitions of environment. Actually, it's possible to divide them into two parts. The first one is the circumstances, objects, and conditions by which one is surrounded. And it's everything just around us. What about the second? It's a complex of factors that may affect community and all the people all over the world. So, environment plays a really important and significant role in healthy living. So we cannot live and our life cannot be healthy if our environment is in the really bad conditions. That's why environmental problem is real, actual, popular, and a really significant problem all over the world. That's why all the scientists try to avoid some catastrophes and problems connected with environment. What about weather? Weather describes condition of the atmosphere, so over a short period of time. The weather has a quality to be changed, so it is changing every day. That's why we should follow the weather forecast, and in order to avoid some problems or some uncomfortable situations. So here are given some words that I recommend you to learn by heart and use them in your practice in order to explain some topics or in order to answer to some questions which are connected with weather or environment. So can you see they are really interesting? They are connected with just common condition, with some maybe problems, for example, global warming or greenhouse effect. Also, it may be just description of something. Well, it's atmosphere or environmentalists. It's an occupation, of course, and people who are busy with environment. So the next two columns of words is a continuation of my requirement of my, not requirement, my advice for you. So can you see contaminant, contamination, creature or diversity, ecology, pollution, pollutant. So everything which is connected with condition and problem. But unfortunately not with a problem and solution, because solution it should be found and investigated. So recycle, it's like using something again, renewable, smoke, solar, sustainable, toxic, so many words which may define our planet and problems all over the world, in each continent, in each country, all over the world, in each part of our earth. So I recommend you to learn these words and to use them in practice. They are quite familiar for you for this level, I think, I hope. If not, just avoid this disadvantage and learn them. So now I'd like to give you some words, and at the same time I want to connect words with some particular maybe situation or condition. For example, when you say rain, when you mean rain, or when you talk about just rain, you may use words like drizzle, showers, rain, downpour, flood. These words may describe how strong the rain is. So if it's strong or just light or cold. When you talk about cold weather, you may say hail, shade, snow, snowflake, blizzard. You may also define how the weather it is, and is it snowy or not? Is it cold or not? What about temperature? We also have degrees. We may, of course, describe our weather saying by temperature, but at the same time, hot, warm, cold, cool, freezing may describe your weather, your atmosphere condition. Or clouds. Clouds also may bring different weather, different character of weather. So it may be cloudy, gloomy, foggy, overcast, or clear without clouds, or just with a light one. Well, what about the wind? Windy weather also may be different. For example, breeze, blustery, windy, gale, or hurricane, or other words which are connected with the weather conditions. Forecast, drought, lightning, thunder, rainbow may describe some conditions after cold or after rainy weather or after really heat wave. So that is all I wanted to say about weather and weather conditions and about our environment. Please try to learn all the words which are given in this unit in order to improve your speech, in order to pass your examination perfectly and have good results. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.